Namaste, friends. My name is Nisha Thakur, and in this series, I'm explaining how to solve inequalities. And today, I'm showing you how to solve a pair of simultaneous inequalities. And in last video, I taught all these rules, and today we will learn how to solve a pair of simultaneous inequalities. So these inequalities here we can divide into two parts. First one, this inequality, and second one is this inequality. Okay. First inequality, 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 2, and second one is 3x minus 2 less than 13. But here we will solve just like a combine. Okay, so here we apply these rules, these ones, like here, mm, add all sides 2. So here no change when we add any number to both side, inequality doesn't change. So add to both side, actually all side. Okay, so this is 4 plus 2, 6 less than or equal to just 3x because minus 2 plus 2 cancel, and here 13 plus 2, 15. Okay, now all side divide by 3. So 6 upon 3, 2 less than or equal to x less than 5. Okay. So here 2 include and 5 is not include. This is exclude. Okay. So less than 5. So here solutions is more than 2, 2 or more than 2 and less than 5. Okay. We can draw in line, number line. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here is 2, right? And here equal to sign also. It means to include. X can be 2. Okay. So here you can fill this circle. Okay. And 5. 5 here not equal to sign. It means x value can't be 5. Maybe 4.99999, but not exact 5. Okay. So you can just draw hollow circle. And here solution in between this. Okay. It means here to include, 5 not include. Okay. And when we write in interval form, so here use this square bracket for here equal or fill circle. It means to include, comma. Here 5, here not equal to, so hollow circle, and here a small parenthesis because 5 here not include. Okay. So x value can be this 2 to 5 and to include here. Okay. So this is the question we can solve like this. I hope this question is easier for you now. And if you have any doubt, please ask me. You can email me. And if you want more questions, so yes, I can send you. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.